Do you know that 90% of millionaires build their wealth through real estate, either directly or indirectly? And if you watch this video to the very end, you will understand why people invest in real estate and why you should also consider investing in real estate. My name is Trust, aka Tusabi, and you're watching Assetwise. So if you understand real estate, you will know that real estate is very powerful. And in this video, we're going to discuss 4 reasons why people invest in real estate. So let's break it down, starting with number 1, wealth building and appreciation. So for instance, you buy a car. So the moment you start driving the car, the mileage starts to count, and that causes the car to start to depreciate. And if you are to sell that car, you definitely know you are not going to sell the car at the price you bought it at, not to even talk about selling it at a profit. So unlike real estate, and real estate tends to appreciate in value. So let's say you bought a land 5 years ago at 800,000. You can decide to sell this land today at around 3 to 5 million naira, depending on the location. So that is one of the reasons why people invest in real estate, and that's how you can generate wealth from it. So number 2, leveraging other people's money to create wealth. So this works best with the mortgage concept, right? So you might be asking, what is mortgage? So mortgage is a loan that you take to acquire a property, and you use that same property as collateral, and you pay over a period of time, either monthly or yearly, right? So that's the concept of mortgage. So a bank or a mortgage institution can decide to lend you money to acquire your property, let's say an apartment. So you rent that apartment out. The money you get from that property, you use that same money to pay back your loan. And when you are done paying your loan, any money that comes in from the rentals remains yours. So that is the concept of using or leveraging other people's money to create wealth. And that's another reason why people invest in real estate. Number 3, real estate shields against inflation. So before we understand these points, we need to first of all understand what is inflation. So inflation is the rate at which the general level of price for goods and services increase over time, which reduces the purchasing power of money. So money, which is that paper that we normally use as a legal tender in exchange of goods and services, right? So inflation can't save you if you have money stored in the bank. But if you invest in real estate, you own properties and building. As the level of price of goods and services increases, so also does the value of the properties you own increase. So you tend to achieve more by investing in real estate. So that's one of the reasons why people invest in real estate, right? So the last one now, number 4, passive income through rentals. One of the biggest advantages of real estate is passive income. So for instance, you own a rental property and tenants pay you every month or every year. So that inflow of money continues to increase your income stream. And as a result of that, you build and grow your wealth. So as you can see, real estate is one of the best places to make an investment. As we continue to learn about real estate and how to create and generate wealth from real estate, there are some important terms you need to know as an investor, and that's what we're going to look at in our next video. So consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification so you don't miss out on the next one. So if there are any other reasons why people invest in real estate and we haven't discussed them in this video, drop them in the comment section. Let's continue learning and discussion continues. See you next time.